Advanced Ordinate Dimension creates more intuitive dimensions. Values in the X and Y directions are arranged up and down, and the drawing looks less messy. Input XDimOrdinate to activate the function. Click on an object to create dimensions. We offer a wealth of dimension styles, like text style, arrow style, scale, and precision. All of them can be changed. When the style is changed, click Update to apply the new style to the existing dimensions. The default is to create dimensions in the current coordinate system. You can also change the coordinate system and create dimensions in it. In addition, you can create dimensions for multiple objects at a time. For now, Batch Ordinate Dimension can be used on block reference, circle, and polyline. Select Batch Dimension on the drop-down menu. Choose Object Type and Dimension Position. Select desired objects, and dimensions are created. At last, dimensions data can be exported to a TXT file, which is convenient for data retention and reuse. Download ZWCAD 2023 SP2 to have a try.